Want to personalize how BleachBit works on your Windows PC? Customizing the settings lets you control everything from update checks and cleaning confirmations to privacy features and advanced options. In this guide, I'll show you how to customize BleachBit settings step by step. Let's get started. First, open BleachBit. Once you're on the main screen, open the application menu and select Preferences. This is where you can adjust how BleachBit behaves and configure several useful options. Next, review the general settings. Here you can enable automatic update checks, choose whether BleachBit asks for confirmation before cleaning, hide cleaning options that don't apply to your system, and decide whether the application should close automatically after a cleanup. These options help streamline your regular cleaning routine. Now take a look at the privacy settings. You can enable secure file overwriting before deletion if you want deleted files to be more difficult to recover. Keep in mind that this option can make cleaning take longer because BleachBit overwrites the file contents before removing them. If your version includes advanced options, you can configure custom cleaning locations, manage whitelisted folders, choose drives for free disk space wiping, and enable expert mode. Expert mode exposes additional cleaning options, so only enable it if you understand what each option does before using it. After you've finished customizing the settings, close the Preferences window. Most changes are saved automatically. Before performing your next cleanup, click Preview to make sure your selected options behave the way you expect without deleting any files. And that's how to customize BleachBit settings. Spending a little time adjusting the preferences can make future cleanups faster, safer, and better suited to your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.